Excuse me, can you help me?
Of course, what do you need?
I'm lost. I need to find the post office.
The post office is on Elm Street.
Is it far from here? Can I walk?
No, it's quite far. You should take a bus.
Oh, I need to send a gift to my family today.
Don't worry. Taking the bus is easy.
But I am new here. I don't know which bus to take.
No problem. You can tape the number 12 bus.
The number 12?
Yes, it stops right in front of the post office.
That's wonderful. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. You can wait here. I am also waiting for a bus.
Thank you. My name is Anna.
Nice to meet you, Anna. I'm David.
Are you a student, David?
No, I work at the hospital nearby. What about you?
I am a student. I just arrived last week.
Welcome to the city.
Thank you. It is very different from my home.
Oh, look, the number 12 bus is coming now.
Wow. Speak of the devil.
Yes, that is your bus.
Thank you again, David. You are very kind.
Have a good day, Anna.
Good morning, Anna. You don't look well.
Good morning, doctor. I feel terrible.
What is the matter?
I have a bad stomach ache. It started last month.
Last month? Why did you wait so long to come see me?
I don't know. I was busy. I hoped it would go away.
I see. A stomach ache can be serious. We need to get to the bottom of this.
What do you mean?
We need to find the reason. Do you often skip breakfast?
Yes, sometimes, when I am in a hurry for work.
And do you stay up late?
Yes, I often work on my computer late at night.
Anna, those are not good habits.
I know. I feel very tired today.
You need to change your lifestyle. You must eat breakfast.
Okay, I will try.
And you need to sleep more. Health is wealth, you know.
You are right.
I am going to give you some medicine for the pain.
Thank you, doctor.
Take this 2 times a day after you eat.
Okay, I will.
And please, come back next week if you do not feel better.
Thank you, doctor. I will.
Oh, excuse me. That box looks very heavy.
Yes, it is. These are new computers for the office.
Do you need a hand?
Oh, yes, please. That is very kind of you.
No problem. Where are you going?
To the sales department, room 205.
Okay, I can help you. I am going that way.
Thank you so much. My arms are tired.
I am Linda. I just started last week.
I'm Mark. I work at accounting. Nice to meet you, Linda.
Nice to meet you too. Everyone is very friendly here.
That's good to hear. Okay, here is room 205.
Great. You can put the box on that table.
It was heavy.
You are right. Do you need help with the other boxes?
No, thank you. This was the last one.
Okay. Well, I have to go back to work.
Thank you again, Linda.
You're welcome, Mark. See you later.
See ya.
Good morning. I need some help.
Good morning. Of course. What can I do for you?
I am looking for a dress. I have a birthday party tonight.
Oh, how nice. What kind of dress do you have in mind?
I want a long red dress.
A long red dress. Okay. What about this one?
That is beautiful, but I do not like the long sleeves.
No problem. Do you like this one? It has no sleeves.
Oh, yes, that is lovely. Can I try it on?
Of course. The fitting room is right over there.
What do you think?
It looks wonderful on you.
I love it. It is just what I wanted.
Is it a good fit?
Yes, it is perfect. I will take it.
Great. Will you be paying with cash or card?
Credit card, please.
Okay, your total is $50.
Here's my card.
Thank you. Here is your receipt and your dress.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Enjoy the party tonight.
Excuse me, are you okay?
Oh, hello, dear. Yes, I am just waiting.
You have been standing here for a long time.
Yes, I need to cross the road. My house is over there.
I see. but the cars are so fast.
I am a little nervous. The traffic is always bad here.
I just can't find a good time to walk.
Would you like me to cross the road with you?
Oh, would you? That is very kind of you.
Of course. It's no problem at all.
Thank you, young lady.
We can wait for the light. See? It is red now.
Oh, good. Now the walk sign is on. Let's go.
Okay. I will hold on to your arm.
Take your time. We can walk slowly.
The cars still look fast.
Don't worry. They must stop for us.
We are almost there.
Here we are, safe and sound.
Oh, thank you so much.
You are very welcome.
You are a very good girl. Have a wonderful day.
You too, dear. Goodbye. Is this the bus for downtown?
Yes, it is. The number 5 bus.
Oh, good. Thank you.
You're welcome. It should be here soon.
I hope so. I am new here.
Oh, welcome. My name is Jane.
I'm Sarah. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Are you a student at the university?
Yes, I am a first-year student.
Me too, but I am a second-year student.
Oh, cool. Is the bus system easy to use?
It looks hard, but it's not so bad.
I am a little nervous. I don't want to get lost.
I used to be nervous too.
Really?
Yes, but now I go everywhere on the bus.
That's good to know.
You will get the hang of it quickly.
I hope so.
Oh, look, here comes the bus.
We can sit together.
I can show you where to get off.
That is so nice of you.
No problem. We are both students.
Thank you, Jane. Hi, Peter.
What's the matter?
Oh, hi, Peter. I don't feel well.
You look pale. Are you okay?
I have a bad stomach ache.
Oh no. Did you eat breakfast this morning?
No, I haven't eaten anything.
You look really under the weather.
I feel it. My stomach really hurts.
What can I do? How can I help you?
Could you do me a favor?
Of course. Anything?
Could you buy me some bread and medicine from the pharmacy?
Yes, of course. Medicine for a stomach ache. And maybe some plain bread.
I am very hungry.
Yes, that is a good idea. Medicine and bread.
Thank you, Peter. You are a good friend.
Don't worry about it. Here's some money.
No, it's okay. I can pay.
Are you sure?
Yes.
I will be right back.
Thank you so much.
You just rest, okay?
I will. Thank you.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Of course. How can I help you?
My friend is sick. She has a very bad stomach ache.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. She looks very pale and hasn't eaten today.
I see. Does she have a fever?
I don't think so. It's just her stomach.
Okay, I can give you some medicine for the pain.
Thank you. This will help her feel better for now.
That's good, but this is very important. She should go to the hospital if the pain gets worse.
To the hospital?
Yes, a bad stomach ache can be serious.
Okay, I will tell her.
Also, she should not stay up late or skip breakfast.
I think she does that all the time.
That is not a good habit. It can make her sick.
I will tell her. How much is the medicine?
It is $5.
Here you are.
Thank you. Tell your friend to take it easy and rest.
I will. Thank you for the advice.
You're welcome. I hope she feels better soon.
Excuse me, is this seat free?
Oh, yes, please, go ahead.
Thank you. It's a beautiful day.
Yes, it is. The sun is shining and it's warm.
It is much nicer than yesterday.
I know. Yesterday was so cold and cloudy.
I wore my big coats all day.
Me too. I am happy it is sunny today.
Oh, the wind is starting again. And look at the sky.
It is getting dark. The weather changes so fast here in Chicago.
You can say that again. 1 minute it's sunny.
Do you think it will rain?
I think so. I just felt a drop of rain.
Oh no, I don't have my umbrella.
I have one. I always bring my umbrella.
That is very smart.
Yes, my mother always says, better safe than sorry.
That's a good saying.
Look, it's raining harder now. I should go home. My apartment is near here.
Okay, I am going to the coffee shop across the street.
That's a good idea. It was nice to meet you.
You too. Stay dry.
Thanks. Goodbye. Hi, is this bench free?
Yes, please sit down.
Thank you. It's a beautiful day, isn't it?
Yes, I love sunny days.
Me too. Do you come here often?
Only on weekends.
I just moved here.
Welcome. If you need any tips about the city, just ask.
That's very kind. Thank you. Hi, I'm looking for a jacket.
For winter or spring?
For spring, something light.
We have some new arrivals over here.
Thank you. Can I try this one on?
Of course, the fitting rooms are on the left.
Thanks.
How does it fit?
It's perfect. I'll take it.
Great. Will you pay with cash or card?
Card, please.
Here you go. Have a nice day. Thank you.